When you're looking for a lawyer, the alphabet soup you run into can get confusing fast. JD, Esquire, attorney at law, counselor at law. Do these titles actually mean anything different? Not really. So first up, JD. This is a little different. It stands for Juris Doctor, which is the basic law degree. If you see JD after someone's name, it means they finished law school. But importantly, a JD alone does not mean that they can practice law. They still have to pass a state bar exam and be admitted to the bar. Plenty of people have JDs and never take or never pass the bar, so they're not allowed to give legal advice or represent clients. Esquire, which is often shortened to ESQ, is a little different. This is an honorary suffix. It's used by lawyers who are licensed and practicing. It's kind of like MD for doctors or DDS for dentists. You'll see Esquire on letterhead, business cards, and email signatures. It doesn't add any special powers. It just signals this is a practicing attorney. So what about lawyer versus attorney? Well, in the United States, those words mean the exact same thing. A person licensed to practice law. There's no extra rank or special court privileges tied to one or the other. Whether they call themselves attorney, lawyer, or counselor at law, the key question is, are they licensed in your state? Bottom line, JD is the degree. Esquire, lawyer, and attorney are titles used by people who have passed the bar and are licensed to represent you. But remember, always verify their license with your state bar and focus more on experience and fit than on what they call themselves.